In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Figma. Undo might seem really simple, but it's one of those tools you'll use constantly while designing. Knowing exactly how it works will help you experiment confidently because you'll always be able to step back if something doesn't look right. First, go ahead and log into your Figma account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Click on any project you'd like to work with. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as long as you can open it in the Figma editor. When your file opens, you should now be inside the editor view, where you can see your frames, layers, and the canvas. Before we can undo anything, we actually need to make a change. This is important because undo will always target the most recent action you've taken. On your canvas, select any object you can easily see. For example, you might choose an image, a shape, or a text layer. Click once to highlight it. Now, let's make a simple change so we have something to undo. I'll use resizing as an example because it's very visual. With the object selected, click and drag one of the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. You'll see the object change size on your canvas. Now that we've made a change, let's undo it. The quickest and most common way is to use the keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+Z. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Z. As soon as you hit that shortcut, you'll see your last action instantly reversed. In this case, the object should return to its original size before you resized it. This keyboard shortcut always targets your most recent change, whether that's moving an object, changing a color, editing text, or almost any other action you perform in the editor. If you want to keep going back through your history, you can simply press the shortcut multiple times, stepping back one action at a time. That's really all there is to it. By logging into your Figma account, opening a project, making a quick change, and then using Ctrl+Z or Command-Z, you can safely explore different ideas without worrying about making a mistake.